Unit 3. Subject Mathematics. Topic Multiplication. Multiplying a number by 10 means taking 10 times that number. Example, here we take a set of 3 apples. Like that we have 10 sets. There are 3 apples in one set. Like that we have 10 sets. 3 multiplied by 10 is 10 times 3 or 3 tens, which means 3 tens are 30. To multiply a number by 10, we just need to put a 0 after it. Let us see some more examples. 4 tens are 40. 5 tens are 50. 6 tens are 60. 10 tens are 100. 13 tens are 130. 24 tens are 240. 35 tens are 350. 40 tens are 400. In all these examples, we see that to multiply the number by 10, we have just added 10 after that number. To multiply a number by 10, we just need to put a 0 after it. 20 multiplied by 3 means 20 plus 20 plus 20, and that is 60. 20 multiplied by 3 means 3 times 2 tens, which is equal to 6 tens. That is equal to 60. To find 2 multiplied by 3, we can multiply 2 and 3 and place a 0 after it. So the product is 60. If there is a 0 in the units place of both the numbers, what do we do? 20 multiplied by 30. First carry out 3 multiplied by 2 and then write 2 zeros after their product. That is 20 multiplied by 30 is equal to 2 threes are 6 and 2 zeros after 6, 600. 30 multiplied by 30, 3 threes are 9 and 2 zeros after that, 900. 40 multiplied by 20, 4 twos are 8, 2 zeros after that, 800. 20 multiplied by 20, 2 twos are 4, 2 zeros after that, 400. If there is a 0 in the units place of both the numbers, then multiply the digits in their tens place and write 2 zeros after the product. Now let us see the next concept of multiplication, that is multiplication of 2-digit number by a 1-digit number using lattice method. Multiply 23 by 2. Let us solve this example now. To multiply 23 by 2 by using lattice method, we need to split 23 into 2 parts, that is 20 plus 3. We have to draw boxes, that is, we have to draw 6 boxes. Write multiplication sign, then write 20 in one box, 3 in the next box. This 23 is split into 20 plus 3. We write 20 in this box, 3 in the next box. Now here we write by which number we are multiplying. 23 by 2. So we write here 2. Now we have to multiply. First multiply 20 by 2, that is 20 multiplied by 2. 20 multiplied by 2 we get 40. So we write 40 here. Next we have to multiply 3 by 2, that is 3 2s are, we get 6. 3 2s are 6. Now add 40 plus 6, we get 46. 40 plus 6, we get 46. So 23 multiplied by 2 is equal to 46. Let us solve one more example. 27 by 5. We need to split 27. Split 27 into 20 plus 7. Now draw the boxes, 6 boxes. Write the multiplication sign first. Then 20 plus 7. 20 in one box, the next 7. Here, by which table we are multiplying? That is by 5. So we write 5 here. Now 20 multiplied by 5. Multiply 20 by 5 and we get 100. We write in this box 100. Now the next step is 7 multiplied by 5. We get 35. We write 35 in this box. Now we have to add 100 plus 35. We get 135. So we have to draw the box for that. Write here 100. Then next is 35. When we add, we get 135. So the answer is 27 multiplied by 5 is equal to 135. Multiply. 4 multiplied by 50. 4 5s are, we get 20 and we put this 1 0. 200. 3 tens multiplied by 3 tens. 3 multiplied by 3, we get 9. And here we have 1 10 here. So only 1 10 we have to write with 9. That is 90 we write. Now 90 tens we write 900. 90 multiplied by 10 we get 900. 70 multiplied by 10 we multiply 7. 7 and 1, 7 ones are 7 and we write 2 zeros, that is 700. Now 6 multiplied by 20, 6 2s are 12 and we write 1 0, 120. 4t, that is 40 multiplied by 2t 20, that is equal to dash t. That is 4 multiplied by 2 we get 8 and we write 1t with 8 and 1t is here. So 80 multiplied by tens we get 800. 20 multiplied by 20, 2 2s are 4 and 2 zeros after that, 400. Use the lattice method to carry out the following multiplications. 40 multiplied by 3, it's already, the boxes are drawn. So multiplication sign here, the table, 3 table. 42, split 42 into 40 plus 2. Now multiply 3 multiplied by 40. So 3 4s are 12 and 0, 120 we get. Now 3 multiplied by 2 we get 6. Now we have to write here 120 plus 6, we get 126. 42 multiplied by 3 is equal to 126. 51 multiplied by 6. We write here multiplication sign. Then we write split 51, 50 and 1. Write the table here, 6. Now 56 are 300. 1 6 are 6. We add these two numbers. Write here 300, 6 plus sign. 300 plus 6 we get 306. 51 multiplied by 6, we get 306. 73 multiplied by 5, we write the multiplication sign. Split 73, 70 plus 3, 5 table we will be using. So 70 5s are 350, 3 5s are 15. Now we add these two numbers. 350 plus 15, 0 plus 5 we get 5, 5 plus 1 we get 6, 3 we write 3 as it is, 365. The answer is 73 multiplied by 5, we get 365. 39 multiplied by 8, write multiplication sign. Split 39, 30 and 9, write the 8 table here. Now 38s are 240, 9 8s are 72. Now we add these two numbers. 240, 72, addition sign. 0 plus 2 we get 2, 4 plus 7 we get 11. So 1 is carry forwarded, 1 is written in tens place. Now 1 plus 2 we get 3. So 39 multiplied by 8 we get 312. Multiply. 4 tens are 40. 7 tens are 70. 9 tens are 90. 50 tens are 500. 6 tens multiplied by 5 tens is equal to 310, that is equal to 3000. Multiply using the lattice method. 37 multiplied by 8, we write the multiplication sign. Split 37, 30 and 7, write 8 table. 38s are, we get 240, 7 8s are, we get 56. Now we add these two numbers. Write 240, 56, addition sign. 0 plus 6 we get 6. 4 plus 5 we get 9. 2 we write as it is, 296. The final answer is 37 multiplied by 8 is equal to 296. 84 multiplied by 5, we write multiplication sign. Split 84, that is 80 and 4. Write 5. 85s are, we get 400. 4 5s are, we get 20. Now we add these two numbers. 400, 20, addition sign. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 we get 2. 4 we write as it is. So 84 multiplied by 5 is equal to 420.